Forget everything you know about dual cabs. This is a stretch 2026 Volkswagen Amarok XL paired with a fully optioned Tommy Camper's S6X. It's a setup engineered to take you further, keep you out longer, and make life on the road feel effortless. But what looks simple on the outside is actually packed with more than you'd ever expect.
I was born on a Sunday in a 88 coupe singing I praise. Mama sang hallelujah on a one-way. I was raised running moonshine, never got caught.
One of the biggest advantages of a Tommy camper like this is just how fast you can set up. Within minutes, you're parked, roof up, awning out, all done. No towing, no complicated processes, no stress. Just a simple, streamlined setup that lets you pull up anywhere and actually enjoy camping. Because realistically, the thing that slows most trips down is setup and pack down. One feature you'll use every single day is the awning. This build runs at 270-degree bushwhacker awning, wrapping around the side and rear, creating a massive, practical covered space. The Amarok has quickly become one of the most capable touring utes in Australia, with strong torque, a 10-speed auto, and full-time four-wheel drive. It's built to tow, carry serious load, and handle tough terrain. It's the perfect foundation for a build like this. To really elevate it, this Amarok has been stretched with an XL wheelbase upgrade from Adaptive Manufacturing. This 300mm chassis extension improves weight distribution and overall balance on and off the road. It's also running a full GVM upgrade and suspension package from Petters, increasing total capacity to 3.8 tonne while keeping it stable, controlled and capable in rough terrain. Tying it all together is a custom 2100mm long Tommy Camper's tray, purpose-built for the stretch chassis and designed specifically to suit the S6X. Now this is where things really start to stand out. At the heart of the system is the REDARC Manager Alpha 75, essentially the brain of the entire electrical system. It automatically manages every charging source. Whether you're driving and using the alternator, plugged into 240-volt shore power, or pulling energy from the 240-watt solar panel on the roof. Paired with a 300 amp-hour battery and a 3000-watt inverter, you've got serious, usable power whenever you need it. Around the side, you'll find the kitchen, and this is where the S6X really proves itself as a practical touring setup. This build features the regular half kitchen combined with a 130-litre Bushman upright fridge, giving you plenty of storage for extended trips. You've got a drop-down table and slide-out sink, keeping meal prep simple, clean and efficient. With 4 shelves, pantry tubs, a travel buddy oven and smart storage throughout, everything has its place and everything is easy to reach. It's designed for real use every single day. Water capacity is a big part of this build. Alongside the standard 75-litre tank, this setup adds a secondary tank, bringing total capacity to 150 litres on board. One tank runs gravity-fed, while the other is pressurised via a 12-volt pump to feed the Duetto hot water system. This delivers reliable hot water whenever you need it. It's the kind of setup that lets you stay off-grid for longer without giving up the everyday comforts. Inside the S6X, things are simple, comfortable and easy to live in. Access is quick with drop-down stairs, and once you're inside, you've got a queen-size mattress, generous headroom, and 360-degree mesh airflow. There's a lounge for 2, finished with custom diamond stitching, plus a slide-out table and drawer storage underneath for your clothes. 2 Sirocco fans keep air moving, while storage pockets and multiple power outlets throughout mean everything you need is right where it should be. It's not just functional, it genuinely feels like home. On the driver's side, there's even more practical storage built in. You've got a dedicated space for a portable toilet, additional room for gear, and this is also where your battery system and hot water components are neatly integrated. Paired with a bushwhacker shower tent, you've got a complete outdoor shower setup. Simple, private, and ready for use wherever you are. And at the end of the day, this is what it's all about. Pull up, set up in minutes, and everything's ready. With the RED Vision system, even something as simple as switching on your camp lights is effortless. Sit back and enjoy the freedom this setup is built to give you. Tommy Campers, all camp, no tow.